Hey guys, so I've been telling myself almost every day that I'm gonna film a get ready with me and just chat with you all and catch up, but I haven't done it yet. I am still maneuvering my way through COVID-19, depression, anxiety, etc. But I do want to come back to YouTube soon. And I actually filmed this video about headbands to put on Instagram, which is much easier for me to post on, shorter content. I'm very active over there. And I thought, you know what, it's long enough for YouTube. So let me just go ahead and put it up here. This wasn't what I intended as my first video back. It's very short, but I just need to get back, I just need to publish and get back out there, and then hopefully things will snowball and I will be able to come back. I really want to connect with all of you again, and I miss you. I miss being on YouTube. I miss sharing my things. I miss sharing my life. So first step, it's a baby step. It's a headband haul and a hat. But I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back soon, promise. I'm gonna try to keep this short and sweet because I have a meeting in 15 minutes on Zoom, but I bought some headbands and stuff from Forever 21. One hat, lots of headbands. Let's do a very quick review. Well, in typical Forever 21 fashion, okay, at least it's there. I got a headband with these. I will say they're a little bit bigger than I anticipated, and there's one missing. It is in here, and luckily I make jewelry, so I have glue. I have glue and I have pliers. But actually, pretty cute. I want to say all of these were like $5 or less. This one I wasn't sure about. This one's resin, and it's got a braided detail. I like how the resin, and something with this one, kind of picks up the light a little bit. When you have dark hair and you don't have dark accessories, I don't always want a light thing in my hair. Something like this can bring attention to it. It is put on with little plastic wiring that's stretchy. So we'll see if that ends up breaking at some point, because it's very thin. So we'll see, but I'm okay with it for now. This one was a twofer. We love a good deal. But I'm gonna be honest, the reason I wanted this was because of this one, which has more jewel tones. And I like that one a lot. Yeah. Okay, this one, I've been seeing this a lot. Actually, I noticed this when I went to Home Goods, that they also have these. It's a headband with a matching mask, and I have to say this mask looks pretty small. I mean, I guess it's there. It's a daisy print, but mostly I wanted the headband, which also has a daisy print. I definitely see myself wearing this in the spring. I also got a little winter weather accessory. And by the way, I think headbands and stuff, I'm on Zoom all the time, so I can still wear them pretty often. So there's this. I'm gonna mess up my hair before I have my meeting. And then finally I got a hat. I'm very curious to see if this hat is too small for my head, because it is Forever 21, which goes, more towards the youth. But I thought it was cute. It's a black felt hat. Had this little detail right here, which I thought was cute. I think it fits well enough. What do we think? I even like it with the shirt I'm wearing right now. I'll probably know whether, when I turn to the side, if this looks like a little cone head, it's got to go. The actual part right here feels fine. It depends on how this looks in comparison to my whole head, but it's definitely tighter than a Torrid hat, or even some of the hats I've gotten from Nordstrom. So, but it feels like decent quality. This was the most expensive item. I think this was $19, and then I want to say everything else was around $5 or less. Some of these were $3. So anyways, that's what I got from Forever 21. Not a store I typically shop from, but they had a good headband collection. All right, bye.